Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix not receiving MMS messages on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and you will see first option is Connections. Click on Connections. After click on connection, click on mobile networks. After click on mobile networks, scroll down to and click on access point names, and you will see customize settings from here. After customize settings, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved, but if it not solved, go to App Library. Click on Settings app. Scroll down and click on Apps. After click on Apps, scroll down and search Messages app from here. And click on Messages app. Scroll down and click on Storage and click on Clear Cache. After click on Clear Cache, you will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, click on Settings app, scroll down and click on General Management and click on Reset and click on Reset Mobile Network Setting. After click on Reset Mobile Network Setting, click on Reset Setting, enter your phone pin, click on Continue, and you will see click on Reset. After click on Reset, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix not receiving MMS messages on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.